Hello, it's me again, Madeline Lopez Madagan of Ellis Cakes, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this super cute and easy little duck from Cocomelon. So for this topper, I'll be using a light colored yellow sugar paste. So I just basically applied a super tiny drop of yellow gel color to my white sugar paste. And now we will be starting with the head with 4 grams of this sugar paste. And then I'll just knead it well just to get rid of the lumps and all the bubbles inside and just to make it more pliable. Actually, it's just slightly orange sugar paste. And then what I'm trying to do is just I'm pressing the both sides of the this sugar paste just to mimic the beak of the duck. And also I'll just cut the mouth or the opening of the mouth with my knife, and then just lift it up with my Dresden tool. And then just cut the excess. So if you think that it's too long, you can cut the excess part. body, and then let's do the feather. So for the feather, we'll be needing 0.2 gram per feather. So I just making a teardrop shape and just pressing it. Inspired Duck Topper. And thank you for watching. So guys, if you think it's helpful to you, don't forget to hit like button and also comment down below, and I would love to hear from you. Please do share it to others too, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. God bless!